Hi guys, my name is Victor. Welcome to my DIY Time channel. This channel is dedicated to Toyota, Lexus, and Scion car repairs exclusively. And if you have one of those car brands, be sure to subscribe. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to replace front hub and bearing assembly on rear-wheel drive Lexus cars. Step 1. Safely jack up your car and remove the front wheel. Step 2. Remove two 17mm bolts and then take out the caliper. Securely place the caliper on a step stool or bucket to avoid damaging the brake lines. Step 3. Remove the brake disc. If it doesn't come off very easily, you can screw in a bolt in one of these holes to separate it from the hub. As you can see here, this wheel bearing has excessive play, and that's the reason why I'm replacing it. Step 4. Disconnect the wheel speed sensor cable. Step 5. In the back of the steering knuckle, remove four 17mm bolts holding the hub assembly. If necessary, turn the steering wheel to get a better approach angle to do that. Step 6. The chances are this wheel bearing and hub assembly is stuck in place pretty well, and you're not going to be able to take it out by hand. It's a good idea to pre-soak it with a penetrating grease to make the removal process a little bit easier. Step 7. Use a slide hammer and axle puller to take out the wheel bearing and hub assembly. Most of the times you can rent it for free at your local auto parts store, but if it's not available, you can find and buy it at the link I'm going to provide in the description area below. Attach the slide hammer to 3 lug nuts. And then slide the hammer weight with force to break off the hub assembly. Step 8. Clean out all of the rust and debris from the steering knuckle prior to installing the new wheel bearing and hub assembly. Step 9. Apply anti-seize lubricant to all of the contact surfaces. Step 10. Apply medium-strength thread locker to all 4 bolts and then install the new hub assembly. Don't forget to install the dust shield as well. I'm personally using a brand new OEM wheel bearing and hub assembly. I saved quite a bit of money by purchasing it online instead of from a local Lexus dealer. And if you're interested, I'm going to post a link in the description area below where I got it from. Tighten the bolts to the factory torque specifications that apply to your particular car. Next, reconnect the wheel speed sensor. Step 11. Install the brake disc and the caliper. Alright, that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful, and if so, please give it a like. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.